Hello, welcome to live streaming from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard Trading Coach. So we'll be doing a live trading session coming up. Quite a few high impact news coming today as well. So as you know that GBP coming up already, we see huge volatility has started on GBP USD. The market is going up for a deeper movement, and there is also USD and GBP coming again. So we have seen the primarily is released in just a couple of minutes earlier on GBP. So I just want to see how the market reacted to the news, guys. We are with new momentum in the market. What we see. So first of all, let me see the calendar, and then we'll be looking to see how the market is reacting to that news has come out. Let me put it here. I hope that guys you are enjoying the day. We get ready for a big move in the market. So before I begin this session, make sure that you leave a like, subscribe to the channel. If you haven't done yet, press that bell notification so that you're not missing out everything that I'm posting every day. So you can see that GBP USD and GBP JPY, both of them has got an upside bounce from this level. This is a very high liquidity zone. Yesterday, if we look at the GBP JPY from that level, after breaking this daily low, GJ had a bounce with this big daily impulse. This is a huge impulse on GBP JPY, and with that impulse the prices come down for a deeper pullback, and from that level we see the market is now trending to the upside. And what I think that GJ, if you look at this channel, this bearish channel turning to now a bullish channel. Okay, so what we see in that market, the market was creating series of lower high and lower low, which is now trending to the upside, creating series of higher high and higher low. So this is a very strong currently bullish market. If you look at now, if you look at this one here, this is you can see from the daily, from the 4 hour, we see the market had a significant bounce after breaking this liquidity zone. We see so far the market in a very strong impulse. And what I will be waiting, we saw first of all a liquidity grab here, so I will be waiting for a second liquidity grab. According to the strategy, we have seen the first liquidity grab here. We'll be waiting for another liquidity grab, and then we can look for buying. And I think that because the market has a big move to the upside, we can expect a deeper pullback in this move that could give us an entry opportunity in the upcoming sessions on GBP JPY from the 1 hour and from lower time frame. We see that this market is currently highly bullish. Now, along with GJ, looking at gold, also very volatile. We'll be looking at the levels where we can find entry. First, let's quickly keep eye on all of them, then we will be looking at other instrument. Now, looking at gold, so far after back-to-back 3 days of drop on gold to this level, okay, we have seen that gold had a bounce to the upside. This is the daily candle. Previous day a pure doji, okay, same length on both sides on this candle, followed by today we have seen the market started to open with this level with an impulse from that level on gold. Now with that impulse, we see the market currently creating series of higher high and higher low. So looking at for the lower time frame, looking at the 1 hour chart on this instrument, we see that currently this is a lower time frame price action which is trending. Now with the news coming up, if we see that gold has broken any of this level, that will be a very good opportunity for us, especially below this level, below 1983 to 1980 level. There is a high liquidity zone and we can look for entry. And I think that it's a trend change call, because we have seen that yesterday gold had a very strong breakout. It's come back down again further lower, and then now it started to move up. So this move, the next drop on gold was pure. This is a trend change call, and I think that on gold, so we'll be waiting for now a deeper pullback to this level. It might drop to this level or to this level, and then we can look for, after price action confirmation, potential buying opportunity on gold. Guys, let me know in the live chat, how are you doing? What's your opinion on the market? So we'll have also guests today from our VIP group. So some of the trader doing very well, so we'll be bringing them on Zoom just after a couple of minutes later. Guys, stay tuned for a bit more discussion and understanding the market. So let's keep up on that, and let me know your idea on the live chat. Let's see what's happening. Joel, day 3 engaging to in your personal trading system. Claire, very good. Well done. Francis, good evening. Good morning. Ted, hello. Good evening, sir. Bless you. Thank you very much. Good day, coach. GJ is moving up. Yes, we see that significant movement on GBP/JPY. Yes, absolutely. Hello, coach. Shigam, can I trade with $100 account today? Why not? You can trade on a $100 account. I would recommend you to even trade on a smaller account always. Yes, we see choppy. You see choppy ups. I see that the market is trending in majority of the pairs. So which market you are talking about? I see that majority of the instrument is trending. We see GBP/JPY. You can see it's in a trend. Euro dollar very strongly in an uptrend, and gold also a little bit of choppy, but it's still in a trend. Okay, so let's find out where is our entry. So market today very bullish, and we see that potential trend in the market. Good day for for trading. So let's see that. Let's be patient and find our entry. Now, looking at the news calendar, we looking at the Forex factory. Guys, before I move forward, make sure that everyone give a big like and also subscribe to the channel. Okay? There is a lot of content this weekend, every weekend. Also, I'll be posting every weekend. I post a lot of content to help traders. This weekend also I will be posting some of the content that will help you to grow as a trader. Every day also I post a lot of analysis. So if you just press that subscribe button, some of the content probably you haven't seen before will go to your home page based on your search, and that will help you to grow as a trader. So looking at our news calendar, okay, so this is NFP week, guys. Make sure that you stay up to date. And here we see that on GBP, what we saw, so there is some good news for GBP, and that made this instrument to be volatile. So all the news good for GBP. So official bank rate was same as the forecast, which is good news. MPC official bank rate boards, that is also came out to be good for GBP, so that made them volatile. Now Bailey will speaks, and which is in around 15 minutes, and then USD unemployment claim. Okay, so the last time web previous was 210. This one also forecast 210. Now the result is coming up in 15 minutes. So you could see that significant movement on GBP USD. So you saw that this one had a drop and then immediately has gone up for a move. So this is where we see that exactly has come to 38.2% Fibonacci level, and then it moved to the upside, so which is a very important zone here on GBP USD. So we saw that from this level it had a bounce, and I think that GBP USD, if you look at the bigger picture from the weekly, so weekly perspective, after this inverted hammer, the price has come down to this support and immediately has a bounce, and I think that GBP USD now going up for a bigger call, okay, because higher time frame is super important, guys. As I mentioned earlier, always look at the time frame for bigger move in the market. Now looking at the weekly, we also discussed this in our pre-London session live as well. So if you look at this one here from the weekly, this is a previous swing low and this is another swing low, back to back. Two liquidity zone was broken on the weekly, this move, and that's a potential for a bigger move now, because you know that if you are our member, you know how we emphasize on liquidity. So this is the support here and also support here, both of this important level of support on GBP USD, and we see that both of this support is broken with this move. And what I think that the market might be, you see that from this level we could see that it's trending to the upside, okay. So this is the weekly chart, which is in fact a very important price action pattern here, okay. And we'll be seeing that from the daily. Here is a long wick doji on the daily, so two liquidity candle on GBP USD has given this market a potential change of trend. It was, you see that this is a trend line on the daily, okay, this is a support. We have seen a breakout, has come back down again, and second time the price gathered liquidity. This is for me a trend change call, and if we can enter in the right time, we can take bigger move to the upside. So with that of news announcement, I want to see some lower time frame liquidity grab. Any of this swing low be broken, we can look for entry from the 15 minutes. Let's look at the levels here on all of them, and then we can look to see where we can find entry. So let's keep them all on the chart, on the radar. As soon as we will find entry on Gbpjpy as well, we will be looking to enter. Let me draw this level on Gbpjpy. This is the swing low that I want to see. Gbpjpy has broken, then we can look for entry opportunity. All right, so if you look at the daily on Gbpjpy, the market has already shown significant bounce. So with that bounce, we could see some bullish momentum with the upcoming news, but until we see second time liquidity grab in this move, we will not be going long. So looking at again, going back to gold, guys, to see here on the lower time frame is still looking at 15 minutes and the 5 minutes on gold. Some of you have said choppy. So basically here is we see that on gold it is on the lower time frame, little bit of choppy, okay. It depends on what time frame you are looking at. And now for me, this is where I will be looking to see that gold has come down and has broken this level, okay. All right, guys, so hope that you are enjoying this live session. Make sure that you smash the like button. Did you do that, guys? Did you subscribe to the channel? I will pause for 2 seconds. Everyone, do a favor, smash it, and also Don't forget to subscribe. Awesome, thank you for that. And let me know in the live chat, how are you doing today? Eric, good night. Below 1983 short, above 1990 long. You're welcome. Patrick, you're welcome. So I hope that you guys are enjoying that. Let me bring up some of the let me know guys if the music is too loud for you. So can you hear the music? Guys, is the music too loud? Let's test it. I think that's fine. Looks good. Okay, so here we see there is a movement, and so gold is now, after this local drop, again we see the market is trying to break to the upside. So with the news coming up, here we can see that there is a potential bullish momentum. Okay, so this market is showing very aggressive bullish move from 30 minutes perspective. Also we see that bull move, and with the news we might see that it's just breaking to the upside, very aggressively bullish. Okay guys, so with that there is an announcement here, is that as you see that there is NFP, and we really appreciate all of your support to the channel. And I saw that many of you really want to join Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Like as usual, there is an opportunity arises for joining the lifetime access. You can join today with this coupon that you see on the screen. So there is an NFP coupon available. You can join today using that coupon for joining the lifetime access plan. And also I can share you with the in the live chat so that you can join today. This is only limited time offer, just for few people who really are dedicated. So you can use that on the, this is the coupon, you can use it on the website checkout. So the website link you can find below this video. So this is the coupon that that is available only for 48-hour validity on that. So let's see now on gold, it's heading with the news. Now here is the 3 minutes remaining. The market structure at this point is a bit dangerous to trade until we see a clean move, clean direction in the market. Okay guys, so let me know what's your thought on this. Okay, so in this 15 minutes time frame and the 5 minutes, that this move here on gold, this is also a liquidity grab. Now at the moment, if it is not a news candle, then I would go for potential buying. But what we see here, that there is a news coming up and we need to be a little bit of patient on that. Let the news settle down. It might drop again for another liquidity gap, or it might just move to the upside. So here buying is a little bit of risky, but in a normal regular timing, if it is a news, it is a good buy here. Stop loss below this low, TP target 321 or 221. But at the moment we see that also on CAD JPY there is a, so all the JPY pairs we see some local downside. Gbpusd is pushing high and high, so DXY getting weaker, and gold also trying to form that bullish structure. This is the 1 hour candle. I want to see that the news been released. The price action is bullish. 30 minutes is still very bullish, and really want to go long, but the news is back-to-back 3 30 minutes candle here is showing that bullish momentum, but this is a very strongly so the news is heading along the way. What's your thought on that, guys? Okay, so the next one, as soon as the market opened, we saw that bounce happen here. So this is another inverted head and shoulder on gold. Let's see the news, what has come out to be on the data. So a little bit of bad for DXY. So let's see how the DXY is reacting to that. Okay, so this is why we saw that the downside on DXY, probably that could be a big reason why so far drop. You see there's a big gap and then drop on DXY. So looking at gold now, with that being said, so that is propelling gold to the upside, because normally, as a rule of thumb, DXY is opposite of gold, but this time we saw that for a couple of days gold and DXY was going up. Now DXY has broken down, that is propelling gold now up further again. So this is where we see the market is now bouncing out. So this is a middleman. Now it is too far to enter. 38 pp. If it is coming down again for another wave of drop is important. It's at the top. So this market now respecting this trend line. See the 5 minutes on gold. Let's keep aim for a drop here, a break of this trend line, or at least below this level can give us some kind of opportunity to find an entry in that market. Okay guys, are you with me? So this is where we will be looking to enter gold. Let's bring it up a little bit. Gold and GJ will keep it together. Okay, so GBPJPY is coming down again, and gold, so let it have a strong manipulation here, and then we can look for entry. Okay guys, so very good. So you learn the liquidity and the middleman. Very good. See, this is where you will find the real trading gist of when you understand how the smart money traders trading the market based on liquidity and price action confirmation. look, there is a question: at what price should you enter Gbpusd, and what do you think about the USD news coming up less than 10 minutes? So we will be discussing that. Look, no, about the news, you cannot be determined. The news is all about volatility mostly, and DXY will tell you exactly what is going to happen with the news, because most of the impact on DXY. So what price, Nadeem? Okay, here on gold there's a doji. So if you look at this 1 hour chart on gold, what we saw here, there is a big doji. This is a strong liquidity trigger, and then there is another one here, pin bar, and now this one also showing that potential bullish momentum. So the way the price action is forming, which is a very strongly bullish. Now what we need to see is an unusual breakdown that will give us that potential entry. Now we see that breaking down that is needed for our entry opportunity. Okay. What's happening with GJ? So we need that break on this. Let's see the daily perspective on gold. Now this is the daily chart, which is very important to look at. Now the price has you see that the price has tested the upper week of the previous daily candle. This is the daily doji on gold, and which is very important. Upper week has been tested, and what I think that we can expect a test of the lower week here. This is the daily support. It's the daily today's low. Let's draw all of them, and this is where you saw the highest low. So any of this level, we need to see that the market has touched or retested for our entry opportunity. Okay, so there is a potential for some kind of breakdown here. Okay, you see this is a smooth line, trend line is being respected. You can take it there. So this is the level. Now, how the price action is evolving in this zone is also determination of how the market will go from here, or it's gonna break further to the upside. Cumulative here, it's going very fast. It's not giving an entry. Need to be a little bit of cautious. Just looking at, guys, to see where the market prepared. Okay, so here I will be opening buy, stop loss below this 5 minutes candle, and I will be targeting, for the time being, we'll keep a bit bigger target, 3 to 1, and then we'll be adjusting accordingly. This is the entry at 1990, stop loss at 87.63. So here it's a very tight entry. Let's see how far it goes. Now if you look at the 1 hour chart, Okay, probably many of you have got a better price on that. They send that trade later. Just keep in mind that there is only 1% risk is allowed, so make sure you do the proper risk management when you are opening the trade. So almost near my entry on gold, because though it is showing here the entry was here, so let me readjust my entry on 1989.72. so this is where my entry is. Okay, now only how many people stop loss we have keep here? 20 people stop loss. Okay, so the price did not do according to much expectation, but it's still good. We are still on a little bit of profit, but let me see what we will do with the trade. Yeah, the 15 minutes looks to me bullish, but let's see, there is a bullish middleman on the 15 minutes, and so 30 minutes also looks to me bullish. Okay, we see that weak fill. We want to see breaking to the upside, guys, entering into the zone. So you see multiple liquidity gap. I'm on profit zone now at the moment. Let's keep up. Pushing high. As soon as it will reach at least 1%, we will be moving the stop loss at entry, and maybe we can take some profit. First, let it move at least 1% up, guys. NFP week, make sure that you stay up to date. This is a strategy that I love to trade. Liquidity grab. You see that how tight stop loss. I don't put a big stop loss, guys. Keep in mind that this is how little stop loss that I put is because I trade based on liquidity, like the smart money with a very smaller risk, bigger profit target, letting the trade run. And you know, this is what I am also teaching on Zoom these days, and also I share all my trade to VIPs who are trading with me in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. You can join today to see the strategy that I am trading, to learn the strategy, and also you can see all the trade that I am opening with entry, stop loss, and take profit target. So I share all my trade with entry, stop loss, and take profit. in the VIP group who are trading in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. I think that this is the best way you can learn, where you see directly what trade I am opening and also what strategy that I am using. All right, so everything is available for you. So the only thing that you need to take it. Today is a very good day for all of you guys. There is a discount going on. There is still a couple of spots available, and so I have given that huge discount so that everyone can join and be part of Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Visit the website, click join now button and be part of the trading community to learn the strategy that I am trading and also to trade with me in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Thank you. Let's see, now we see that gold is going in the direction, so you want to see that it's heading to the upside. We look at the 1 hour candle, we see that this is a bullish candle, and I want to see that this market is breaking to the upside with a big momentum in it. Let's keep up, let's keep holding it, and in the 5 minutes here, so there is a green candle on the 5 minutes. Okay, so you want to see that the market is being able to break the high. With GJ. Okay, so Gbpusd also has formed a bullish market structure. Okay, so here on gold, so this is a gold, sometimes a little bit of fussy, that does. You see it is struggling to move up, shouldn't, but the way this red candle has formed, might need further liquidity. Let me see, guys. What's happening with Gbpusd? This is a very strongly bull market. And gold, yeah, it didn't break the resistance. Okay, this is what gold sometimes does. With not being able to break the resistance, we might need to exit, but I'll let you know, guys, what I'll do, because it's consolidating here. In that case, it might try to come down further, but still I'm on the trade and running in little profit. Okay, guys, so the price I want to see that it's been able to break the resistance. We have still 40 seconds to see. Okay, still has gone to the profit zone again. Okay, in the meantime, I have a couple of guests to join from VIP group. So first, let me see. Okay, guys, so the candle didn't close as expected. It didn't break the resistance, so we'll be exiting the gold trade at near entry. Okay, so it is not a good price action for very bullish. So at the moment, I will be exiting the gold trade, and if we need to enter again, we will be entering again. I will be also advising the VIPs. Okay, so it should be at entry. It's at entry. We might see further liquidity gap or breaking out, so we will be entering again as soon as we will find that. Okay, so I think that some of you are in little profit. This is a very interesting structure here, and we'll be entering again as soon as we see a bit more better price action. Okay, let me see that on Gbpusd. Gbpusd is showing very bullish. If we find an entry on that, we will be looking to enter. Gold is a bit more here the price couldn't break the resistance, so we will be waiting on that. So in the meantime, I have a couple of guests to join with us in our trading session from our VIP group, so we'll be inviting them. Okay guys, so we are exiting on the gold trade, and once we find again, we will be entering the trade again. Hello everyone, can you hear me guys?
Yeah, I can hear you, coach.
Thank you.
Yeah, I can hear you, coach.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, I'll be looking. I'll wait for. Then we'll be pinging here. So Jofi is supposed to join, and Mudassar. So you see that gold. You can see now again it's breaking the structure. So once you see that, we will be looking to enter, and so I have. Guys, let me know what's your thought on this. I think that gold, you can see after breaking this another pattern, it's now going back up. Let me see if there is any opportunity for us to enter. It is very bullish again, but here it is a little bit of unpredictable. So First let it clear. This is a very, sometimes it does this kind of peculiar structure it form. So I have few members here to join in the live. Justin, I see on the camera. So
Coach.
thank you. So we'll be having some more discussion about, guys, let me know. So you have Justin, Blake, and Zofia online. So you can unmute Blake and Zofia. Let's see. Yep, you can keep unmuted, guys, if you like, so that we can have a bit more discussion on that. And let's see, you can see that gold here, this is an absolutely a peculiar structure. Sometimes gold has done that. All right, so so by the way, guys, Justin, Blake, and Zofia are VIP members. I think that also we are supposed to join Mudassir and another guest. Durga Mohan. Probably they're still on the way. So let's see. Here you can see the market is really interesting in that zone. After forming a very peculiar structure, is now trying to break to the upside. Okay, we will see. So okay, so here you can see now it's now trying to break that structure. This is interesting, really very interesting, the movement. Gbpjpy. Yeah, let's see that one on. Okay, Gbpjpy, there was this break was needed because it was an overextended to the upside. I think it's gonna might make its move to the upside again, but before that we saw that on Usdjpy also there is a big drop, including the Gbpjpy. And so 4-hour candle closed. Let's quickly look at here. You can see GJ with the 4-hour close on that long wick candle. If this 15 minutes candle closing as a bullish, we could see some momentum to the upside. So Afan, what do you think that on this one on Gbpjpy? What's your thought on that? So you can unmute any one of you if you want to have anything to say.
Would that be considered a head and shoulders?
So head and shoulder here on the top, yes. Go ahead.
It is head and shoulder.
So head and shoulder on this 5 minutes. Yeah, there is a head and shoulder. If you look at the daily, what we see that on the daily, the market from the multi-time frame, it is bullish. So
Bullish, yes.
yeah, but let me see here on yeah, this is a head and shoulder here. So with that head and shoulder, the market has broken down completely. Now with that breakdown, you look at here in this support level. So it needs further liquidity to break that resistance level because it formed that head and shoulder here. Okay, now so it will really depend on the candle close. From the 15 minutes we see that there is it was creating that pin bar and then immediately got rejected. So far this move is completely against the trend. We see that there is one liquidity zone is broken here, 183.24. it's coming to another liquidity zone. All right, so we'll see how it is reacting to this level. And I think that you see the 4-hour a long wick candle coming down to this level can give potential entry. Okay, so let's go back to this level, very low time frame. So let's find out first of all how the market is evolving, and then we can look to enter as soon as we will find that. Okay, so here is we see that on Gbpusd. Let's keep it aside. Let's see that what's happening on gold. This kind of structure, you see that this is the 5-minute chart. This kind of structure you can see in that zone. Here is
Is that flag?
pardon, Zofia, go ahead.
It's a flag, a bullish flag.
This is a bull flag. Yeah, this is a bull flag. Normally when you see this kind of bull flag, as a rule of thumb, the market should be breaking down and then should be trending to the upside. So it has done some kind of smaller break, but I think that you see this is a, so this doji also couldn't break the high. It is a bull flag, but it's leaving a little bit of gap here, and I think that we might see, this is why we exit that trade. You see it's now, it needs a strong liquidity trigger, and then we could see that moving towards the upside. So from the 4-hour, if we look at in the 1-hour, this 1-hour chart, we see multiple liquidity gap in that area. And yeah, so this is where TF strategy, if we apply that here on the 1-hour, we see the buy is here. I think that we could see the market is breaking that low again. Okay, anyone of you in any trade?
When you go to 4 hours chart.
On gold?
Yes, 4 hours.
Okay, so 4-hour, yeah.
It is the same pattern.
Yeah, so on the 4-hour, so what do you want to point out on the 4-hour?
I'm sorry, I muted myself.
Yeah,
it is head and shoulder right now, from my point of
this
view.
one, this one? Yes, this is
Yes.
this is an inverted head and shoulder, but it's fully not been developed yet, because let me show you that a developed inverted head and shoulder, or see this one here, it's a fully developed, but this one on gold, so with this narrow candle it formed that shoulder here, but it's not fully developed. Okay? So because when you see this kind of market that we discussed in our VIP Zoom as well, that two-step liquidity graph, so you saw that from this is a support level here, so you saw with this long wick candle it gathered liquidity once, but here we saw that it didn't gather any more liquidity. So we could see, but in the 1 hour we saw multiple times the price gathered liquidity. So in the lower time frame, break of trend line can give us the entry. Okay, we need to see that break of trend line. We have entered that expecting this market, the way you see this 5 minutes candle is a big bullish candle, and it should be, as a rule of thumb, breaking to the upside. But what we saw that in that area form that bull flag. Now you see what's happening with this one. Let's see if it is giving it now. I think that it's gonna ultimately come back below this 1987.8, and then we could see that bounce. Okay, traders. Now then.
Hey coach, I have a question.
Yeah, sure, go ahead.
When it comes to like the patterns, like the bull flag, the cup and handle, double top, double bottom, whatever have you, how accurate would you say those are as far as percentage wise, is being able to like follow, hey, this might have the opportunity to do this? How accurate are those in your opinion?
The structure such as the bull flag and head and shoulder, all of them pattern that you're talking about?
Yes.
Yes, they are absolutely, they are the structure of the market. Okay, so they are, you can say that 100% accurate in situation, if you can spot them in the right way. And there are some, see this gold now this candle, okay, this one, that what I see. Okay, so I'll come back to that point, guys. What I think that this is a very good opportunity. If it is not going up at the moment, so that could be something we are unlucky on it, but I see potential opportunity here on the 5 minutes. Again, the market has gone back up, forming this is still this candle to close, 1 minute 50 seconds remaining, and I'm willing to go long. What do you suggest? What's your opinion? Here I see that there is a potential for bullish, because you see that this bull flag, okay, this bull flag has broken to the downside multiple times, and after multiple liquidity gap it has managed to break. So I will be going long on that with only 1% risk again. So I only recommend you to guys, if you are doing that, only with 1% risk. Now this time I will be again putting my stop loss below this level. So this time we will be targeting 2 to 1, and over time we will be changing the entry. So you can,
Hey coach.
yes, go ahead please.
That last red candle, would that be considered the liquidity grab that we needed?
This one?
Yeah, the last, yes.
Yeah, so this is what we see. This is the break of this bull flag from this level. Okay, and with that break of this bull flag, so as a rule of thumb, if you see a bull flag, you can expect it to break to the downside and then to trend to the upside. So you see that here, that bull flag, okay, this bull flag had a breakdown, and we see that this 5 minutes candle has formed. So in MT4 I see a wickless candle, so it might let me see, my stop loss is, so the stop loss is 1987.73, guys. TP at so here now, looking at the 15 minutes again, might get liquidity again. Okay, so looking at the 1 hour, let's delete those lines. Make sure that you only take 1% risk on any trade. Look, if it isn't not being able to break this high, then it's gonna take us out of the trade again. We still get out of the trade on that. Didn't work out. Might, that's really hilarious. Sometimes it just forming that bullish candle. How far it's gonna drop now? We'll be entering again from that level. Let me see what. So this is a the price will break out from this level. Okay, first of all, wait for this. Let's see. We'll be entering again for this move. Okay, so I will be first it is gonna move up again. Okay, so I will be entering buy again, just stop loss below this low, because if it start to break from this level, it's gonna go up a lot, but with a very little risk, guys. Make sure that you are not risking too much. Okay, it's very important. We will be targeting a bit bigger on that. Okay, so stop loss like that with a smaller risk, 1985.55, and take profit at 1993.8. Okay, so the market has broken a very, very important level, so we should be breaking out, and if it breaks out, then we will be looking to see how it goes. Okay, if it isn't, then it's gonna change the trend. Okay, so here we are at the moment on the trade.
It looked like gold did a false liquidity grab, a false breakout, and now it's reversing. Gonna try to reverse to the upside since it got enough liquidity.
So from support or resistance, Justin? From here or
from the support?
Yeah,
from the
this
support.
is, yeah, this is what I see, that this candle for me is a fake move. So if it is a fake move, it has very momentum. As I mentioned, anything
Correct.
happen in trading, and we could see any movement, but the way it has done, it should be pushing high, and at the same time, as you know, that we need to do the risk management. Now if it is the way this market has done is a potential for upside, and we need to hold that trade for, we have target at 1993, it will be 4 times profit if it moves that way. So let's hold it for bigger profit. I think that we should see some move unless it is taking another liquidity, but at the moment let's keep that on. It already has dropped well below this level, and the reason it dropped is, you can see this is the daily, the price has broken from, rejected from the daily resistance. And okay, so here this is the 5 minutes candle. We want to see that this 5 minutes candle closed at least as a green candle, and then we can see that potential move. So this is a very significant level of support, and this is a second step liquidity grab. Okay, now there is multiple liquidity grab. There is a second step liquidity grab. Big long candle hit that zone, so we can expect to go up. Now if it is a trend change call, then that's gonna be a waterfall here, and then we can't say anything about it. So let's keep that here in that way, guys. And do you see any other pairs showing trending direction or any kind of price action, guys? And in the live chat, anyone?
USDJPY look like it's starting to get bullish.
USDJPY, we'll be looking at that. Now I see the GJ also has come to this level and then had got a bounce. You see this GBPJPY.
Yeah, UJ.
Yeah, and you're going to get USDJPY. Yeah, USDJPY and GJ, both of them had a bounce. Especially I see that GJ.
I got in on the fair value gap.
Yeah, GJ.
On UJ.
GJ in the second step liquidity gap had a bounce. Okay, Let me see.
I think it's gonna break to the
It
upside now.
formed that, you see that one liquidity is on two liquidity. I think that GJ also you could see some bounce on that. What's happening with gold? It's trying to manipulate again. This is a very long candle, and it triggered
It's
again
liquidity
liquidity.
grab. It's a liquidity grab, coach.
Yeah, so it's let's see.
I think it's gonna drop some more and then it's gonna reverse.
This is a very this move is so long. There is a potential for,
Cause it gotta feel it. It gotta feel it. It got a fair value gap above that zone where equilibrium is, so it have to come back to fill it. It's just getting liquidity.
so how far it's so ridiculous sleep here. Still on the trade, but that's hilarious. What's happening with GJ?
I'm gonna still hold it because I only risk 0.5%.
Yeah, don't risk more than point.
Yeah, I'm the risk.
Don't
Risk
risk
0.5%.
more than 1% or 0.5%.
Yeah, I'm just holding.
About. I'm stop out.
Yeah, I'm also stopped out. See what's happening here. Look at this move here. This is a very unusual move, okay? Market or this, how far it's gonna,
I mean, right now it look like it's at a discounted price right now.
yeah, so anytime you'll see that it's gonna push up. Even after this, we'll see that move. Okay, this drop is very unusual. Okay, we'll see that the market will pick up on gold, and because this level, this drop is completely against the trend. So with that on GBP,
Manipulation.
so GBP JPY, how many pip here on 18 pip?
UJ starting to do a little pullback.
USD
Yeah.
So GBP JPY. From GBP JPY looks to me better than,
Nah, UJ.
yeah, UJ, like Yeah, but I think that GJ, see that GJ had a 2 level is broken, and this
Yeah,
market is
I'm looking at both of them.
Look, the GBP looks to me better than anything. Okay.
Okay.
Gold just I think that GJ gonna feel that weak here. Okay, so 2 candles. Look, I'm interested on GJ than other pairs, because if you look at 15 minutes, this market, there is a big rejection from this level. So this one also I'll be opening along on GJ. This is around 20 to 23 pips stop loss. We can also keep this one 3 times profit target. Looks to me that GJ is, so we'll keep that on. Only 1% risk, guys. Make sure that you don't take a big risk on anything. So TP target at so GBPJPY. This is a long-term bullish market, so this is will be holding. I will be holding that trade on GBPJPY. So where gold is, let
I just
it
hit
drop.
1-to-1
Yeah, so
on UJ.
don't
my target. I just hit my target on UJ.
Okay, so you see that UJ, like USDJPY, Justin?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got in at the fair value gap at 149.874.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, this one USDJPY is okay. So you entered. You had a buy or sell on USDJPY?
I'm up over 300 points right now.
Okay, very good. That's good. So you applied the strategy that
liquidity grab.
Okay.
Yeah, it tried to do a false breakout on that low and it just reversed.
Okay, that's good. So I think that GJ, we are on the this is a very sharply bull market. So let's keep that on. Let's keep that trade on, and that one looks to me gonna go up. So let me see that gold. I think that gold. You see that gold has come to. I will be entering again gold once I will see that entry, because this market is long-term bull and it has retested the daily support here. So from the daily support we should see that gold is okay. So it's now trying to create that structure. This is a big rejection from the support.
So I was saying, I got to fill that gap.
Yeah, so let GJ run by itself. Do not worry, because
Yes, sir.
so here on gold, how many people? Big, longer. I don't like to take a big stop loss gap. What kind of structure is it made here?
Big manipulation
Big
grab.
manipulation.
Now
Yeah.
it's
So
going to
from the
the
day,
upside.
yeah, from the daily support, and I think that, you know, this is a bull market and should be to the upside. This was a big manipulation, big
It just caused
breakdown.
a lot of people to
Yeah.
sell.
You see, it's now coming down for another grab, and let's see this time how it is reacting. Guys, did you like this stream?
Yeah.
So subscribe to the channel, press that bell notification. Okay, so here we see that GJ, I think it's gonna keep pushing high. Let it on now.
Still making high lows. So it's still bullish.
Yeah, you see that it's just, we want to see that second step liquidity gap, then we can look for another entry. I think that it's gonna, you see that if it is, how far it will drop will depend. So okay, Gbpusd, guys on the live chat, in the live YouTube live, anyone on Gbpusd, can you let me know in the live chat?
Yeah, I'm in it. I
Okay,
got in.
okay, so anyone else on the GJ, make sure that you keep very strong risk management plan. Yeah, okay. Sophia,
I am also looking at
okay.
NAS100. I believe it's good for buy.
I got in on that pullback at 183.18.
Okay.
183.318.
So 183.
318 on GJ.
Okay, Ibrahim, Andy, Eric.
I got in on it. They had a pullback on the 1 minute. I got in.
Okay. Look, it's pushing high. Okay, let it run, because once we are you know, one trade will give you all the things that you need if you can hold it. Okay, let's see that what's gold is doing here.
Yeah, I just got in 5 minutes ago. I'm up 100 points now on GJ.
Okay, it's moving up. This is one. This gold is. This is a completely opposite on GJ.
Yeah, GJ pumping.
So GJ, you can see there is a long wick at the top, and we could see that the market is feeling that that long wick. So this is what I'm expecting. On the 1 hour, you can see it on that bullish candle. It might come down for another pullback, but
That's part of a healthy trend.
yeah. So on the gold on 15 minutes, now here is the this there is a head and shoulder. Now, but for longer term, this is a little bit of confusion here.
I got stopped out in profit. Yeah.
On
I moved my stop loss too early.
on where on GJ?
On GJ, yeah, I was trailing it and I just got stopped.
Because you may be done too early.
Yeah, I was trailing. It's cool though.
Happening with gold and okay, here on GJ, let's look at a bigger picture on that.
Come on, gold.
So gold in a level where it is still bullish bull market. It's a long-term bullish, and see the 1 hour candle.
Yeah, they ain't made a change of character yet.
Okay, so Gbpusd, we
It's
want to
still
see that
bullish.
it's closing as a bullish candle.
On.
Who is there? Okay, see that? All right, now the gold, yeah, the way it is forming, if it is not being able to break low, we should see that gold again moving its way to the upside, but still it's not there. Let me see that on GJ.
It's just filling them gaps. It's gonna pull back.
Gbpusd.
Yeah,
Or
it's
gold.
just filling gaps. Yeah, GJ, it's just filling gaps right now because it made a big move to the upside, and it left gaps behind.
So the 15 minutes candle Now the next one, we want to see that it's gonna fill that long wick again to the upside. So we still have 38 seconds remaining for that. So in the meantime, let me see that gold.
Hello.
Okay. Yes, go ahead.
Yes,
Jonathan?
man. I'm freaking stuck in a gold.
Oh, so you are still buy on gold?
Yeah, I'm still on buying. I cannot take a loss. I cannot take profit
What
also.
the stop loss was? You should.
Okay.
What,
So
how much you risking?
Go.
Yeah. Tell me, sir. Tell me, coach.
Okay. Now, always put a stop loss when you are trading. So let's see
Yeah, you
here.
gotta put your stop loss with gold, bro.
Okay.
And you
So,
gotta use a low risk on gold,
okay.
bro.
So gold, the potential for upside longer term. Okay. Now.
Okay, it's showing like it's going more liquidity grab now.
Yeah. So this is what.
Yeah, it's doing another liquidity grab.
Let me see here on the 4 hour. So below this, you see already has bounced from this 4 hour support. So with that of GJ, this market is.
If it break this support on gold, it's fully bearish, bro. I think it's gonna be bearish.
Is support means like 1983 point. Yeah.
Yeah.
1983.
You see that? You see that?
Yeah. It's
If
very
it break below, it's gonna go.
It's coming edge.
Okay, I will need to see how the market is reacting to that level. Then we can look for that entry.
Advanced post from here. Yeah, it's completely breakdown, huh?
Yeah, so after
Hold on, it didn't
breakdown.
close. Hold on. It's not closing. It might wick.
Yeah,
So it
just
has
tell me.
come to the daily support level. Okay, we will be from that daily support. After breaking this, if we see price action, we can look for entry. This is a giant long candle. Normally after this kind of break against the trend, which is in majority of the time a false breakout,
And sometimes also, coach is going to be sometimes false breakout also, right?
in most of the time this kind of break is a false breakout, but let's see how the price is reacting here, and even we can look for entry once we find that. So we should see that move back up,
because usually every time it break a low, it makes a new high. So
yeah, that is the one thing. Yeah, that's right, brother.
it just
I test so many times like that.
yeah. So here
I understand.
Everything is taking stop loss, then and one of the guys say you should be stop loss, you should be ever entry.
Yeah, always you need to have definitely, even if you have 5 stop loss, 2 stop loss, you need to must be putting a very smaller risk with with proper risk management
Yeah,
plan.
bro, it's
All
about just the risk. You just gotta manage your risk.
Yeah. So okay, here the price on the daily, this is the daily support. We should see a reaction from that daily support. This is what we are expecting, and highly likely it's a long-term bullish. Gold should have a bounce. This is the previous daily high. So
it should be somewhere else. Is taken. It's going too much higher.
We're on gold.
Yeah, I'm talking about gold, but you know, this need
It
too
just
much
has,
fuel.
yeah, this is, it just has tested the daily low, right? This is where when we learn the strategy, this is the real examples that you can see when we were talking about the strategy. What we talk about, that when the price will make a move, we'll come back to the daily support, and then we will be waiting for that bounce. So here the price,
really,
on
this
it,
is where you want to be burned from, because this is the low of the daily candle.
yeah, this
So
is
this
the
is
low
like
of
the
the
most
daily candle.
opportunistic time
Yeah,
if you could just get a position to swing.
yeah, so here let's little bit let the price settle down, then we can
Yeah,
look to enter on that.
yeah.
First of all, let
Find
me
a
see
level
if it is
support.
breaking the low further, because there is a daily low here. This is the daily low, and I think that we'll see very soon a very quick bounce. Okay, here,
Like it's gold bounce like blinking eyes.
yeah, that's why sometimes we miss very important entry. Gold does this. When it bounce, it just fly like, and then just go back up to the level where it should be. So
Yeah, same
We
dropping
stopping out other
yeah,
buyers before it take off
before we take, yeah. So now,
and myself, I see in so many years, like when you're watching in smaller time frame, you will be scared hell like hell.
yeah. Okay, I'm not entering yet, but just seeing that the potential.
Coach,
Yes, go ahead.
I want to share some just my personal opinion.
Yeah, sure.
Man, just I entered this market in 2017, right?
Okay.
And I just doing gambling this.
Don't gamble.
I want to tell the truth, you know, and
So look,
like
this is what,
gambling like a hell, I lost my ass, everything.
see,
Whatever I earned 6 years, my whole earnings done,
oh, okay.
gone.
Yeah, really, you need to be, here is most, as I mentioned, I always emphasize about the most, see the gold is now
Yes, boss. Yes,
bouncing off
boss.
the daily
Hey,
support level.
1985.43. I'm an enter.
So you are on buy on 1985.43.
Yeah, I'm gonna put a buy limit.
Yeah, we will earn some good profit on gold now today.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I lost my house.
Yeah, I put a buy stop. I'm gonna put a buy stop at 1985.43.
Did you put the entry? That's supposed to be a stop loss. 1980. Okay, where is your entry? 1980.
Just in. Okay.
I don't know. I'm confused.
I was looking at a buy stop at 1985.43, and I'd have put my stop loss at 1985.04.
Okay, now the stop loss 1981.43. Yes, that could be a stop loss. I don't know.
So guys, GJ now. GJ is near our entry. So let that trade this play out by itself. Now gold in a daily support level.
Oh,
yeah?
Look at UJ.
UJ.
Yes, sir.
It's bouncing up. Okay, so you'll not look at it at the moment. It's just moving with a high speed.
I'm
it
up
is
600 pips.
bullish. So you're on 600 pip. That's good. Okay.
Well,
So
no, almost. I'm up 450. But almost.
okay. So
Okay.
here, look, gold.
Yes, sir.
The market on the daily support at the moment. Okay, and until we see that reversal pattern here, let's be a little bit of patient on that. Okay, Gbpsd, I'm really wanna hold it. Risk management, yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, I hold that GPPJPY because they got nothing but liquidity
Gerald,
at the
check,
top,
yep.
the target. And the market structure is bullish and everything. So, and like I said, I'm still in UJ. I'm holding it. It's bullish too. So,
Gbpsd, this is the 1 hour candle, which is a long doji. So we saw that liquidity gap here and also here, and the market structure is a long-term bull on GJ. So I'm expecting it to break to the upside on Gbpsd, all that. So gold is this is the 1 hour candle. You can see, let's delete all of them to see. And when this kind of big drop, which is basically a sign of rejection again, and let it drop until the last moment, and I think that it's gonna give us a very good entry gold very soon, because this is the daily low, today's low here.
Is it still support, right? The gold?
Yeah. I will be interested to go long very soon. Let's find out.
oh yeah, it's gonna be a great entry.
Yeah, because
Because
if you look at the daily,
because I held that trade yesterday.
okay. So GJ is going back up. Let it hold it. Let it move up. And in the meantime, guys, here, how many pip stop loss will be? 26 pip. Okay. So now, if the price, pardon?
Are we entering now?
No, it's still not yet planning for it. I'll give a shout out if I'm entering. So this is the weekly support also here, and first let the you see that 1 hour candle, when you see one candle move, such a big move, this kind of is a sign of a false breakdown. So, but as we see that the candle is going to close here on this is the 5 minutes candle before the candle, like the 1 hour close. Okay, so
I think gold getting support from the support area.
Yeah, this is where the daily support.
May not close all trades, but I'm gonna still hold it.
Wait a minute. So it looked like, I was looking at it from another perspective. It looked like with gold,
Yeah.
it broke the Asia low. It
Yeah,
just
this
like
is what the
it
Asian low.
broke,
This is the daily support is one big
and
move.
it broke the
One
Asia low, and now it's going up.
one big move has come to this daily support level. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
one big move,
I
and
had to zoom out, and I started seeing it
see
now.
there is possible for another one to grab another liquidity and then go back up, or we could see that a move from here. So
But the level is the last few wick rejections, they all been from that Asia low level.
see, this is a very significant level of support
Yeah, yeah.
is violated. Okay, GJ is heading. GJ is heading again. It's near my entry, depending on where you have entered. Let it run. Let me see here on gold. Okay, so you want to see here on gold that it has gathered. So we see one step liquidity grab here. Let's wait for another liquidity candle. If it is reversing back, we should see that a nice looking bullish candle in that area. So in the meantime, let's keep GJ holding. I think that GJ might move up, and so this is a 30 minutes and 15 from the lower time frame. Okay,
भाई से बात करो.
okay. So let the GJ moving up, and
I think it's that. I think that.
okay, until we see that move, we will be looking to see. This is the daily. We have drawn the levels for the daily low. It might try to even touch the daily low, as once you see that candle formed, we can look for that entry. Because if it is reversing from here, it's gonna form that reversal pattern completely. Okay, it's gonna form that reversal pattern, and then we could see that it's moving up. So we'll be able to identify that structure once we see that it has formed. Okay guys, so you are enjoying, guys, everyone on the live, so make sure that you leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Did you do that? I'm gonna pause for 2 seconds. Everyone have time to do that. Smash the like button now. Did you do that? And also subscribe to the channel, press that bell notification so that you are not missing out. So this is a 2-second pause for everyone to give a big thumbs up. Thank you for that. And also today we have NFP sale going on. There is a coupon code available for all of you. You can check out to join our program in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. You can use that link, coupon code on the website outlet. So the coupon code is going to be valid for 48 hours only. Let me know if you have any question in the live chat. So here we see that from that level, the market, we want to see a reversal pattern has formed, then we can look for entry. Okay, once it will reverse, it's gonna show its face. And this one is again trying to gather liquidity here.
Yeah, I see gold just stopping out everybody from the Asia session.
Yeah, so it just has come to the daily support level.
They really want to be the only buyers in the market.
Here, let's so this candle on the, so you see a 4-hour close on the price on the daily support. Okay,
Gold
so
doing the same thing it did yesterday, really. It looked like almost, because it sold off most of the day yesterday and then it reversed after like around lunchtime.
you know, with the Gbpjpy, sometimes it form a very complex structure. We are here, we see that market should have a bounce from the support. So this is the line is today's low. Okay, this is where we saw that the market open, and then
Yep.
so it's gonna retest the daily opening. So here I'm looking for that entry opportunity. I think that we'll see that price action. We find that entry. TJ is playing out here very aggressively. So where there is a
It's about to break support again.
on the daily Okay, so it touched the daily low.
Wow, it's really pushing.
Touched the daily low.
I know it was against the trend, but man, we would have caught that sale. It would have been crazy.
Okay, so it just has touched this low. This is today's low. Okay, 1980 level is today's low.
But yesterday,
GJ dropped
yes,
too.
yesterday's low was 1969.95. Yesterday's.
Yes, it's going down.
Yeah, this is where it just has broken the daily low.
Okay.
You think it'll come to the daily low of yesterday?
No, today's low is here.
Yeah, but I'm
19
saying yesterday's low was 1969.95.
Yeah,
1960.
1969. Yeah, 70 or 77.
Yeah.
So it tested the upper week. It's gonna come down. I don't think that it's gonna do much down. Okay, it's already in a red zone. Okay, let's see. Okay, so now I will be opening buy.
You think it's setting up like this for
Yeah,
NFP?
I will be opening buy and stop loss below very tight. So at almost 79.70. Okay, and the TP target will keep at least 3 times here. Okay, from the daily support we can expect a bounce. GJ didn't work out. GJ has gone back up.
UJ still pumping though.
Stop loss at 1979.71.
1979.
So yeah, if it is dropping down, then it's gonna keep dropping. Okay, let's keep a bigger profit target.
Okay. I'm in.
Okay, so this is where if the market has broken this low, there is a daily low as well. So this is a very tight entry. Only few people stop loss. So how it plays out. This is the last trade that you will be taking. So around only 16-17 people stop loss. If gold is breaking down here, then it's gonna change trend. Then we can't do anything. If it is bouncing back up, then it's gonna go up again to create a new higher high. So depending on how it is reacting, we'll be taking the position. it has broken this liquidity zone, and then it just GJ still on the trade. Are you on the trade? Anyone? Didn't hit the stop loss yet. I thought this hit the stop loss. So it's still, but the way it has formed, it's gonna come down probably. So let's see. Okay, gold is
I'm in the red in GJ. I'm down $30, but my stop ain't got hit yet.
okay. So if gold is managed to bounce off this level, this is a 4 times TP target. Let's keep that on. How far it goes.
But UJ gonna cover my losses though, cause it's still pumping. That's gonna cover my losses. Really. I might just cut GJ, yeah. But I'm gonna hold it if you holding it, coach.
Okay,
But
gold.
I'm down 30.
Coach,
Reason behind, yes, go ahead please.
where's the TP for gold, sir?
Gold at 1987.61. 87.61.
All right. So I think I'm going to go out now.
Oh nah, I'm holding it. We good. You can put your
Yeah,
stop
yeah,
loss
yeah.
in profit,
Then
bro. You can put your
Okay.
stop loss in
See,
profit
from
and
the
just swing it.
from the daily, it had bounced from this daily support, so it is a long-term bull market. Now if it
Yeah,
bounced
hold it,
from
bro.
that level, then we should see really good move to the
I got
upside.
2
Let's find
positions.
out. Let's find out how far. Now it might even just be the other way around also. Okay, because
My stop loss in profit. I ain't
okay,
tripping.
GJ had a primary
It's
bounce.
a risk-free
So
trade.
guys, on the YouTube live, are you guys on GJ? Is still yet on? Now, depending on your
I am
broker.
top out on one of the accounts and I'm still on the second one.
Yeah, okay, depends on.
I
the
had a
broker.
one with Oanda, which stopped me out. Even I put extra pips down. And
Yeah, so some
Okay.
yeah, some account depending on where you are.
I got
some
2
brokers they
accounts.
had a higher spread.
Yeah, some brokers the spread's different. I got one of my brokers is Sway Markets with MT5 and Hanko Trade with MT4.
Yeah, so the one that I use, they have the lowest spread, guys. For the broker that I use, I'll
Sway
give a
Markets
link.
regulated too.
Yeah,
Sway Markets is regulated.
so you are on US, but here on for those who are the non-US, because US client cannot use other broker cannot use. So for non-US, the one that I'm using, I'm sharing the link in the live chat, guys. You can use that link to register. They are regulated broker. I have given also a link in the description area so that you are not missing out anything. So it depends on which broker you are using.
Yeah, I'm using XNS.
Okay, so
I try to pay commission, so I get tired of spreads, you know.
So the one I am using I have given in the live chat. And
So what's the
yes,
best one
TMGM.
for the US? Because right now I use Masari Capital.
Yeah, so
I
for
use
US
Sway,
actually,
bro.
yeah, I don't recommend any
Sway and
broker for
Anko.
US because
But Sway is regulated. If you want a
no,
regulated broker,
the one that I use is TMGM currently. I have given a link in the live chat because they have multiple account types that easy for me to handle, and also they have many payment option available. They are fully regulated. So let's see here on gold. Okay, so there is a long week candle on the 5 minutes. Okay, so gold started to trouble to the upside.
बना लिए चावल सब्जी भैया
Okay, so look, this is what trading is all about, that we need to wait for a trade to hold it for bigger. See, if gold, this one, if it is going back up to the level, that will give us almost all the trade that we need from one trade. This is what I do. I normally take a bigger profit target and then hold it with a very tight stop loss.
yeah,
Euro dollar.
I'm on the down $6 now in GJ. It's coming back around in profit. I'm about to be back in profit.
Yeah. Okay, so here now we want to see that actually gold have been able to move up because
It's
30
pumping
minutes.
now.
It's the 1 hour.
Good entry, coach.
Yeah, let's make it, because if it is this is the 30 minutes candle.
I just moved my stop loss in profit to pay for the commission
For
in
the
case my
gold,
trade.
for gold,
Yeah, in case it go down.
yeah, it
I
might,
just
yeah,
just pay my
that's what
commission.
you need to sometime, you need to manage the trade. So what I would suggest on GJ, guys, for those who are on GJ, that to, I think, looks like that it might come back down again, but there is a double bottom, so let's keep it on for gold fall reason. So a queen had asked a question on the live chat, the reason for gold fall. So the reason for gold fall is for liquidity grab. So if you look at a market, that it will always look for the liquidity grab, and that's how you'll see that the market will move. Okay, the reason the gold has fallen is, if you look at the daily, this is the daily high. Okay, from that doji, the market has formed a series of lower high and has come back down to the daily support, and I think that from here we can expect an upside bias, but at the same time Okay, so this 5 minutes candle, I expected it to close as a bit more greener candle. Okay, which is trying to close. Yeah, this is what I expected.
Yep. It closed green is good.
Yeah. Now this is the move that we can expect GJ to have a bounce. Okay, gold is bouncing off this level, and
It's an important level right here. Got to break. Got to push through. You're rejecting the 50 EMA.
so if we look at, okay, so we see that gold is trying to move up. So how many of you on the gold trade, guys?
I'm in.
Okay, so Justin,
I got 2 positions running.
I mean, like starting.
Okay. Yeah, so it's moving up now. That's what we are expecting. Okay, so if this one is trending to the upside, this is now 4 times. Let's if it is breaking to the upside, we will be holding it for a bit more bigger profit.
I ain't taking partials. I'm gonna keep my full lot size open. Or should I close one position, coach, and keep one running? Huh, coach?
Okay, yeah, yep, Justin.
Should I keep one running and close one, or what?
Which one, for gold? So you if you move the stop loss at entry, then you can leave it there. That's how you can
Okay,
make
yeah, that's what I did. I put it just enough to where I got my commission covered.
Yeah, that's the safest way in that case.
Like I entered at 1981.72, so I put my stop loss at 1981.82.
Ibrahim, yes. Daryl, absolutely. So what's your point of view on gold? Yes, I think that gold will cross 2000 level. Very highly likely possible for gold to happen that. Okay, so gold, you can see that gold is a long-term bullish market. And if you look at the monthly here on gold, we can see that you see the market already on the monthly support, the price below the monthly level. And I think that gold highly likely we could see bouncing off. If we look at the weekly, also we see the market, this is the weekly support. Chances for gold to bounce off this level is very high, at least to certain level. If you look at the 4 hour, so this is where 4 hour is little bit of bearish. Okay, so the thing that we can expect here is for the price to go back up to this, above this candle. So multi-time frame is really important. this is why it is important to see that. Okay, this is a very tight entry, guys. So we are this red candle is a potentially bearish candle, but if we see that the market is not being able to make a reversal here, we need to do the trade management here. Let me see, my entry on gold is 1982.10. so first of all, let's see how this candle is closing. Okay, so
I think I'm gonna close one of mine.
yeah, I'm gonna exit the trade at the entry. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna exit the trade at entry. It's not gonna. The price action is bearish. Yeah.
I closed one in profit.
Yeah, it's a very tight entry. So it is forming a very sharp bearish price action.
It was a good trade though. At least I earned some money. At least it wasn't negative. At least the capital was protected. That's all that matters.
Don't lose temper. Always, no matter what, stay managed on your risk. So wait for the price to see. Always patience is the key. Now here is, look, the way the price action is formed 4 hour is, there is a long bearish engulfer. This candle is giving a pressure on the sell side on gold. Okay. And
See, I already ended on that week.
so there will be some reaction in that zone. First of all, you see the price on below the daily support level, so it might grab liquidity, and then we could see that bouncing up. So until we see that bounce, this move is, you see that this is a complete breakdown, opposite direction of the trend. Okay, now
See, I just got a better entry than the first one. Yeah, I re-ended on that one, coach. I got a better entry. I ended at 1981.46 this time.
yeah, I would, at the moment, let's be patient. It might from double bottom, you could see that bounce.
It don't push it because it look like it's in a level of demand right there.
Gold always has a breakouts.
Yeah,
Fake breakout.
gold. Yes, you see that now
Yeah,
it's
fake
now
breakouts.
forming that.
It'll do a fake BOS and then it'll reverse all the time. It just break lows and break highs and then reverse.
Okay, now this pin bar.
No.
I'm up again now.
Okay, now this candle.
You are in, but still streaking. I'm gonna be out this time when it's reached 1985.
Yeah, I'm not
Yeah.
gonna hold it this time, coach. I'm gonna take profits.
Look,
This time, my patience is done.
see, you need to like in trading, you know, it's a mental game. It's a mental game. See what happened. What will happen is that, let's say back to back you had you've got a 3 trade, you got loss, and then suddenly you got lose your temper. And then I'll show you some statistics. Let me have an EA that I'm currently retesting. Let me show you so that you have really have a faith on how to conduct this kind of situation. Let me show you. Let me bring it up, that results for you guys. So this is why it is hard for some people to be profitable over the long term.
But coach, you are really patient person, man. You are the. I haven't seen so many persons in the YouTube channels, but you are the best one. I get it.
Yeah, there's no other way, guys, to be without being patient. Yeah.
Yeah, we gotta hold them trades. That's the main thing I learned from coach is patience. You gotta hold your winners.
Yeah, it's not all about your it's everything, not all about your skill strategy. It's also about your patience. Okay, see this statistics. So this will give you a very clear. See these trades here. So in this account, so this is I'm doing a back testing on it for last 2 weeks. I'll do another 2 weeks and then I'll release it to you guys. This is an EA. So you see that minus $60, it will risk only 0.25%. Okay, but when it will win this much. So this is how trading is. Okay, so you keep doing it, then over time you're gonna be profitable. You see that? So bigger win, smaller loss. 3 to 4. Yeah. So once you, but this, you see that back to back, two, like 2 loss, 1 win. 3 to 1, again 2 loss, 1 win. But it could happen that 4 loss came in a row for you, and then 2 win came in a row for you in the same way. So you need to hold your nerve for that, and you need to allow yourself to be patient. So you see that gold now from here, it is forming now a reversal pattern. Okay, potential reversal pattern. And but 4-hour candle, GJ still on the live.
I'm controlling myself and emotions, watching the big time frame.
yeah.
That is the one. Like patient. Hey, John. My name is actually John, right?
Oh, John. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. They say, hey, man, watch the 1 day time frame or 4 hours, 1 hour time frame. Then emotions will be controlled. Otherwise, you will get your ass.
No. Yeah, absolutely.
It helps while you're trading to find confluences
this
that
is
make
the
you want to stay in a trade.
this is the key points here about the emotion. Okay.
Yeah, you're telling
Okay.
lots of stories in YouTube trading sessions, and I really appreciate like you as a master teacher.
Oh, thank you for that. Yeah, absolutely. This is
Really, and that is story is smaller, but the length and that's meaning is fulfill our everything.
No, absolutely, John. This is what the aim for everything, that so that everyone can get, because I also find fulfillment in it, and that's why I tirelessly trying to put value to help others. So you see that we do contact that. So I would recommend all of you to join the VIP Zoom class also today. Also there will be, because this is how once you keep doing it over and over again, you're gonna become good at it. So I think that goal, guys, we could see here, this is the 1 hour candle.
I'm glad I re-entered.
So this is now the 15 minutes.
I still have a gold on one account.
Okay, so the way 15 minutes form, which is a bull candle. Okay,
I have the 3 entries in 1981, 80, 58.
Oh, you put,
yeah, I'm in 1981 also. 1981, 48.
So you guys
I
are
got
buying?
3 entries.
That's why I'm going to cover the top ones to bottom one.
Okay.
I never ended up getting out.
Yes, it's a psychological game. Absolutely, Derek. You are right. It's a psychological game. It's all about psychological game, guys. Keep in mind that. Okay, guys, in the meantime, make sure that you smash the like button and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing out anything. And also check out the coupon that is given to you guys for the NFP. So you can find that on the screen.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so what do you see here on this is a big candle on the 15 minutes.
Yeah, I think that's for us.
This is looks to me that it's gonna move up back.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it's flying to Chicago to Mexico.
Beautiful.
Yeah. It's gonna move back up.
Yeah, it's
I'm holding
taking
it
up.
1 to 10.
Like,
I'm looking for a 1 to 10.
man, this is a good family, man. Trading is I don't know how to put this word. No.
Stressful.
Yeah. Make some good friends from the world.
Yeah, absolutely. This is what we aim for here.
Yeah. Those who do the trading and they can do anything in the world.
Yeah, because it's
Really,
a very psychologically you have to be very psychologically tough, especially the holding the nerve after.
Yeah.
When you are winning, let's say you're good, but when you have a losing trade, holding the nerve is very important.
You got to keep the same mentality.
So now here, let me see.
I hope the 4-hour candle is good for watching, and it's going maybe 50% retracement, then it go up fraction of seconds. I hope it's good trade for us.
Yeah, this is what we. So this is the 1 hour candle, and
Coach,
50,
we are good.
15 minutes is a bull candle here. Okay, so this is a bullish candle. All right, so GG. So it's playing
I
out.
hope this buyers can take control over the sellers.
Yeah, we got to hold. Buyers got to hold this level. If it break, it might
Yeah.
be.
Still
We
they
got to
are in.
hold this level.
Still they are in.
Yes, Danny. Yeah, absolutely. Dollar yen. Okay, we'll be looking at that. Screen should be okay now. Okay, so I want to see here another candle is broken, and then
Coach, is a 4 hour candle already 50% retracement, right?
this is the 4 hour. So 4 hour, this market, look, this market is a bull market, long term. So this is the 5 minutes, right? We could see that it's breaking the low, going back up, filling that long wick here.
The 1984 is good area.
When we break 1985.50, if buyers in control fully, then
Yeah, that was exciting to take offer. This is shit. Once it's a break on 1985, it's gonna be no one even
yeah,
can
that's what I'm
stop it.
saying. Yeah, it's over with after that. I feel like buyers will have the full control. Because I'm looking at
Yeah,
it I'm looking at it.
may Jesus can allow to pass 1985 the through line.
But we got to stop out the sellers. At some point, you got to take out the sellers. So
Yeah, I'm absolutely. My score is level.
Yeah, that's where okay, GJ is forming a very interesting structure. Is still dwelling in that area. Okay, so here hey guys, everyone on the YouTube, did you smash the like button, guys? And also did you subscribe to the channel M15 Morningstar? Which instrument? Derek. Yes, Derek, absolutely. Now here is so it might come down for a pullback here, and NFP expectation tomorrow. So what do you guys think that what's gonna happen with the NFP? I also need to know what's your opinion, guys.
Well, at first I thought that the market was clearing out all the buys. That's why I was dropping like this to get ready for the NFP. But if we go on a bull run and we correct all of this today, I don't know. But if we maintain these levels like this, then I would think it would make a correction tomorrow, a full correction tomorrow. It just go up so much and then drop again, and then fully correct or spike and cause like a buy run. I mean a bull run.
Man, this is the time to take action or be patient.
We see
It's
that
getting
the
1980
inverted head and shoulder.
this level is very crucial, sir. Coach.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Right?
This level, yeah. If we see that another candle form that has come down and gone back up, we'll look for that entry.
This freaking level isn't getting ridiculous.
I hope it don't sell off for the high.
So GJ is like playing with these narrow candles in that area. The very interesting price action in that zone, and
Just need one movement.
one more push in the 15 minutes. So you see that bounce. So this is a potentially like a bullish locally now at the moment.
Yeah.
So guys, join the free Telegram channel, link in the description area. Join that. You don't believe me that I am still on gold from 2038. Very good.
I hope it's go better than. I hope.
Okay, now okay guys, so here what we see, the market, you see it's pushing high, and that was a big liquidity grab, and
Yes.
yes, now it's planning for a bounce up after this feeling that imbalance in that zone.
We need to break 1985.22. We need to break it.
And I'm just watching 1985 too. 1980.5, 413, man.
Euro AUD. Okay, what happened about?
I know my broker is 1985.22. So like 20 pips, 24.
Euro AUD. Let me see here on Euro AUD. Euro AUD is this is a bullish market, and look at the weekly, monthly. Okay, so this is a long-term bullish market, and I think that it's gonna keep pushing high. Yeah, so Euro AUD is a bull market. Currently the price is approaching that resistance. Already the price in a move, so after breaking that high we could see lower time frame pullback. Depend on what time frame you are trading. But let's go back to gold to see what it is doing at the moment here. Sometimes it formed this kind of very narrow and slow price action. So Gbpusd is just playing like a game.
Yeah.
It's just forming narrow series of higher low. Anyone on that GJ trade?
Yeah, I'm still in it, coach.
Okay. Justin, and anyone on the YouTube live?
I'm in drawdown, but it's not much.
Still
Oh, okay.
on one of account.
Okay, one of your account. Very good. So what I think that let's see what happened. It might play out.
Yeah, gold also playing same area, man.
Look, gold, if gold is moving up, it's gonna keep going up again for big one. Okay,
We're just watching horror movies.
yeah, so
Yeah, it's coming
just
near.
dodge me here.
All right. Something good.
And we pushing.
Yeah, we pushing, brother. We pushing together.
Yeah, we need to sometime. This is what it is, guys. I've been dodged here. Many of you. How many of you hold the gold trade here in that area?
I got in at 1981.46.
Okay.
We're not giving up. Because we have the good support. The coach is our backbone.
Right or wrong, I'm with you, coach.
we are a community, guys. We are a trading community, and I want to make it the biggest. Okay, you guys are here, so just one thing I want from all of you. As you know that I am doing the live Zoom live also to help you so that you can ingrain that strategy. Just one thing I want from you, that in any situation, do not take a bigger risk on your trade and stick to the game for longer term, and you will see that everything will play out over time. That I have shown you that statistics that early today, that always aim for bigger win, smaller loss. That's only the way you can be profitable over long term. Okay. And yeah, so this is what it is. Always don't lose temper, and yeah, still holding the trade for bigger profit. And then even if you have want to stop loss, that let it happen. Okay? Don't be impatient on that. So okay, here we see now this drop will tell us either gold is going back up or so. Let's see here what it is doing. This drop is crucial because what I think that if it is going up, then we should see that gold giving us an entry here.
Yeah, that's a bad entry. It's a wick rejection.
So let me see.
We just need
Normally
that candle
I
to close.
enter with a very tight stop loss. Okay, let's first see how far it is doing that, and then
there is no news on today, right? Is that all done, right?
let's see. I think no. Let
No,
me
they
double
have some
check.
more news.
Okay, really?
So here
But it's not high impact though. It's all green. I just see green impact letter.
Bro, what's your name?
Justin. You're talking about Justin? Yeah, his name is Slim3 is given here. He's Justin. He's one of my oldest follower in Forex Trading Wizard Academy.
Okay.
I remember in Justin, isn't it 2020? Maybe you met me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So he's so far that long is still on the trade, means that he's gonna make it happen. Okay.
Yeah, long way friendship.
Yeah.
Ever since I met Coach, I really been profitable because I was chasing strategies, just jumping from strategy to strategy.
Yeah.
He really helped me understand the market and just understand it's about managing my risk. Long as you can manage your risk, you be in the game forever.
Yeah. This is what has to be like, really being profitable means that you have to have a strong risk management plan, and it is crucial that
Yeah, you're right, Coach. Coach, man, I'm really appreciate what you are doing, what you are saying, what you are giving time to as a you're giving us time, valuable time, yours. That is one of the
this is what we do here as a community, John. This is the main goal here. We together we want to make a big community, biggest in this industry. You guys together we will do it. because when we help each other, that's where we feel very, very happy inside us. All of us want to be a part of this, and yeah, this is what we will be doing here, helping each other, like people like Justin staying with Forex Trading Wizard Academy now more than 3-4 years, and John, everyone, Zofia, so everyone here, and we want to make it happen, okay? Because it's like a emotion sharing, all right? So for example, if someone is not finding strength, if his friend is strong, he or she will turn to be stronger. That's how. Okay, so gold here, what I think that, guys, there is a pin bar. This is a potential bullish price action for me. Let me see here.
Bro, Justin.
Yeah.
What's up, bro?
Bro, and we will see some area like 1985, right?
Yeah, man.
It's already
we don't skip that damn thing, man.
Man, it's like a lot of selling pressure just still stuck right there, man.
Yeah, and we cover some pips over there.
Okay, here is now. Look, here is we want to see that it's getting that upside. Okay, let's see.
Yeah, couple times. This is the third time I saw the profit, but I cannot book it.
No, it's okay. GJ had a bounce. Okay, guys, from here you see there is a 3 times liquidity grab. It's almost nearing our entry. I think that if it is moving up, that will move up back again. This is what happens. Sometime the price will come very near to stop loss, and then it will go back up. So on the live, guys, anyone on the trade on GJ?
Yeah, I'm still in the coach.
Yeah, okay. So Justin, anyone on the YouTube live as well?
I got in at 183.287, so I still got a little way to go.
Any emotional support from a person who is good at chart analysis?
Actually, I didn't touch Gbpusd because I stopped out so many times and blowing account.
Yes, Radhu Krishna, absolutely.
That's good patience, bro.
Yeah. Yes.
I just want to stick with only gold and gold. That's it. I finally decided in my 5 years experience, you have to stick with one pair. Even the pair give you the profit.
You only need one pair to trade to be profitable. You only need to trade one pair.
See, the pair will give you profit or loss. Doesn't make effect on your life.
Right.
But and my chart completely, I deleted everything. Yes, you can see only one pair on XCAU USD. That's it.
Yeah, absolutely. That's good. You guys are having a good experience. That's very good. Yeah, Radhu Krishna, TMGM has a good rating in WikiFX. Yes, TMGM is basically, I to be honest, I'm not advertising TMGM because they are broker, I'm educator. In some cases I'm opponent with them because basically I want my subscriber to win. Okay, broker, if you win or lose, broker doesn't care, because if you trade with broker, they get a commission. If you win, they don't care. If you lose, they don't care, because in both cases they got commission. But for me, I want my students and me also win, because this is the main goal here. And with that respect, that's why I always recommend broker. That is good. And before I say that, okay, this broker is good, I do a lot of research, make sure that everything is fully regulated. Especially the regulation is the most important part. Yeah, absolutely. So I use TMGM. There is a link in the description for TMGM. Also, I can share the link for TMGM with you guys. If anyone wants to go with TMGM, you can do a little bit of research before and then if you think that they are right, then you can use that link to open an account with them, link given in the description. So let me see it here. Okay,
Bro, I think Go gonna just grab some liquidity and then push through that 1985 level.
yeah, so
Cause
it's consolidating
clean.
here, consolidating
Yeah,
here.
it's consolidating. That's what I meant to say, Coach.
Yeah.
Justin, Coach, sir, can I hold it gold, right?
Yeah, hold it.
Okay. I just follow by your words, my emotions when it's not working, and I'm always asking someone to help me out.
No, that's completely. We all are human, we understand.
We're not making lower lows yet. We're still making higher lows.
Look, I also, I was, every one of you in a situation, I was in that position. There was a time. Okay, and that's why this trading community is created, to be honest. I tried to get help because I didn't understand, and everything I learned by making millions of mistakes. I'll share with you some of the mistakes that I made when when I was trading, so you'll understand actually how it
make them Coach.
Yes, go ahead, please. Yeah,
I didn't really share my personal life, but I lost everything like family also, sir. I'm just alone now. See, it's gonna be taking like stupid ideas, stupid things I'm doing.
No, that's nothing is to be, just be like a bit more compassionate to yourself also. You're not definitely everyone in the same journey. So the thing is that see, there is a saying that every wise man is a fool in their early life. Okay, so there, we born, and we don't born as a wise. Okay, we all born as a very innocent, like a unknown person, right?
Yes, sir.
But those who act like like a stupid, we all act like a stupid human being, we like that. This stupidity actually is defined by someone else, right? It's not stupid. It's a learning, trial and error. So that's why Einstein said that if you didn't make any mistake, then you haven't tried anything yet. Okay, so that's why the more mistakes one make, the more expert he or she becomes. That's how the reality works. So this is what it is. It's 1885. So that's how anyone can learn through mistakes, through trial and error, and that's how you're gonna grow as a trader. And I'm sure that every one of you in that journey, and
I'm almost up 100. Well, I'm up over 100 right now. Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. You're right, Coach. You are saying absolutely true words.
Yes, that's true. You learn on your own mistakes, not on someone else.
Yeah, absolutely.
Someone else's mistakes helps you to give you the ideas, but sometimes you take someone else's ideas. You're just still making mistakes.
Yeah, absolutely.
I have a lot of experiences like this. But now I learn to be patient.
Yeah, there is. This is only the way. The patience is the key, right? So patience is also a skill that we can learn and grow as a and not only in trading, in every aspect of our life, that we need to keep patience and keep learning and keep growing. That's how everything works.
I'm talking about trading, being patient. I think in my life I can control my emotion, but
no,
and always stop loss, because It was a time I had this educator who always said, "Don't put stop loss," and I lost so much money.
Oh no.
Because he was very good, but I didn't have the skills at his level. And that's why, yeah, now I learn it's better to have a stop loss, lose as much you can afford, and take a next trade. Then you can have a profit or not. But I have this spreadsheet I can send you. It's really very good. Right now, I worked yesterday because I have to deal with different kind of things.
Okay. Yeah, you can share with that. You said that before.
Right now, it's so easy to calculate, especially when you have a formula on Excel. You just change numbers. But really, it's a process. You always be a winner if you stick to the rules and not change the rules.
Okay, that's a very good. Yeah, you can share on the when we in our live trading room, VIP trading room. You can.
Yes, but anyone. Put a little more.
Yeah, guys. Not only you, Zofia, everyone. Yeah, everyone, anyone on the VIP trading room, you can share your anything that with others, any plan, any trading plan. So this is how we will grow as a trading community.
Yeah, anybody want my trading plan, I can send it to them.
Yeah,
Coach
absolutely.
actually helped me.
Yeah,
Coach actually helped me make my trading plan. I can send it to anybody that want it.
Yeah, thank you for that. Yeah, Justin, you can share with everyone on send it to the trading room, and everyone will be sharing each other. That's a very good approach. That's good. Okay.
Yeah, myself and coach is always, he's touched my heart with his words, man. I really appreciate, sir, what you are doing.
Oh, absolutely, John. Yeah, sure. We will be keep doing, keep growing, and the tomorrow NFP coming, and we are almost to this in this session is 3 hours up. So NFP coming tomorrow, and I really want to have a great session tomorrow, guys. Twice I will be coming on live, and for today we are almost at the end. And in the meantime, before I end the session, for those who are on the YouTube live, you can join our community where you can see all the trade that we are opening with entry, stop loss, and take profit, and also learn the strategy that we are learning. There is also coupon available for you. So thank you. With that said, and I'll see you guys tomorrow again twice. All of you, thank you, Justin, John, Blake, and Zofia for joining this
thank you, coach,
live session. We'll be coming on live again.
Anybody that's scared, just put your stop losses in profit.
Yeah, that's awesome. Thank you.
All right, Justin.
Okay, awesome. Thank you.